What's poppin'? Que la que hay, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys some first impressions on some products that I picked up from the drugstore. So if this is something that you would like to go ahead and see, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like this video. And leave me some comments down below on any ideas that you guys have on any videos that you might want to go ahead and see. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright guys, so I picked up some drugstore products and I am really excited to try some just because these are products that I've never tried. And I will let you know which ones I have not tried, obvi. First, I guess I should start with this Revlon Colors Today Brow Pencil. Alright, so it's kind of like a duo. It has the spoolie on this end, and then of course, ooh, and then of course the like little pick on the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my brows. You know what? I'm not mad at this pencil. At this brow product. It's actually not bad. I think I'd use this again. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the Milani Retouch and Erase Light Lifting Concealer. And what I'm going to do is I'm obviously going to use this under my eyes, but I'm going to take some of that product and put it on my hand just so that I can add it to the under parts of my eyebrow. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead. I already put the Milani concealer on my lids. Now I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London Magnifies Electric Violet Edition. And these are all the colors that are on this little palette. So far, a lot of fallout. But it is a drugstore product and that is okay. Shade before I went in with all the darker colors. Now I'm gonna go in with this purple right here, and I'm gonna go a little bit above my crease and just a little lower than the purple that I put in the first place. Start doing is I'm gonna start taking that purple shade and then just touching the outer corners of my eye. Gonna go ahead and blend it all out that way that there's no spaces in between it. And then lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and take in that black shade right here. Let's see how this performs, because honestly black is probably, if not one of the most controversial colors in a palette, any palette to be quite honest. Just because it is really hard to get a nice black matte shade. that black shade is super pigmented. So if you do get this palette, just make sure that you are not applying as much as I just did. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this Anastasia brush, and I'm going to take this really pretty like aqua color, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that shade over what we just cut in my crease. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with the lighter like purple shade, and I'm going to use this Anastasia brush. I'm just going to go ahead and add it on the very top because I want to make sure that that shade kind of doesn't get hidden in the black. Okay, now I have been using this for a little while now. It is the LA Girls Pro Prep High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. And now I'm going to take the L'Oreal 24-Hour Foundation. It's the Infallible Total Coverage, and I'm in the shade 308. So far, a lot of coverage, very lightweight, which is really good. And then now I'm going to go ahead and take that Retouch and Erase concealer. Alright, now I'm going to use the Selfie Ready in the banana shade by this brand name Joa. There. With the Wet n Wild makeup stick. It's the Mega Glow Contour, and I have definitely used this product before. next is I'm going to take the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, and I haven't used this technically, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the Milani Sun Glow Strobe Light Highlighter. For my lipstick and lip gloss, I'm going to be using ColourPop just because it is technically drugstore, but I didn't end up buying anything from the drugstore, so that's really weird because I usually always buy something. But I'm going to go ahead and go in with Quickie, which was from the Makeup by Shayla and ColourPop collab. And then I'm going to go in with the lip gloss from that same collection called Neat Freak. And this lip combo is my absolute favorite. I'm going to go in with LA Girl Flashy Mascara, Big and Bold. Honestly, this is one of my favorite looks. I really like it. Ooh. Who would have thought, bro? Who would have thought? Alright, y'all. So this actually... got really excited there. Alright, y'all. So this actually concludes today's look. I hope you guys definitely all enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you like this video. And stay tuned for any of my future videos coming out. Remember, videos are posted on Wednesdays and Fridays. This Friday I might be posting something in regards to my weight loss journey, so definitely stay tuned to that, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.